Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can create a image slider using HTML, CSS and also JavaScript. So here is a project that we are going to create inside the video. So it is fully responsive and it's changed automatically every 5 seconds, I think, or every 5 seconds. It's changed automatically. You can also change that with the help of on click. You can also move that with the help of on mouse moving, right? As you can see, right? So let me tell you how you can get that. So I have a file and I have 3 images, style.css. In the style.css have a fonts family like pop-ins. We will use the pop-ins. This is optional, don't focus on that. This is a JavaScript file and we're gonna use simple code to manage that. So let me tell you how you can do that. So I will create a header tag. In the header tag I will create a container. In the container I will create a content. Inside the content I will create a slides. Then I'm gonna get the image okay, .img one, and then I will use the image overlay there. Inside there I'm gonna add that how to become a, then I'm gonna use h2, I'm gonna use front end developer, and then I'm gonna use h3 and from scratch use link tag, more details. So this is our simple structure that we are going to use to make a slider. Right now as you can see, this is the image. So first of all we need to use CSS to manage that. So I already mentioned the CSS file and also JS file inside our project. So I go to style.css. So we need to reset the property, padding 0, margin 0, box sizing, border box, and also I'm going to use font family on the pop-ins, right? So let's see the output of that right now. Then I'm going to select the container, and inside the container we need to use width 100%, height we need to use 100 VH. Then we're gonna select the dot slides. What is the name of the class? Slides. So we're gonna select that, and inside there we need to use width 100%, height 100%, and then I'm gonna select first I'm gonna set the, let's see, right? But I'm able to see the scroll bar, but don't worry, we will work on the image, then we will fix that. So I'm gonna select the img, I'm gonna use width 100%, height 100%, and we need to use object fit cover. So let's see, right? Perfect. Then we're gonna manage those content. I want to display those content in the center of the image. So let's work on the image overlay. So I go to select the image overlay. So I need to use position will be absolute, position absolute. Then I will use top 50%. I want to display the content in the center of the image, so I need to use left 50%, transform, translate negative 50%, comma negative 50%, and you will able to see the content appear in the center of the image right now as you can see. Perfect. Also I will use width 100% on this. So let's see, right? But I will negative 50% transform. Okay, I will use the text alignment will be center, right? So I'm gonna use the text align. I want to display the content in the center, so I will use text align will be center. So let's see, right? And then I will use the overlay effect. Means first of all I will just a minute, I'm going to select that and select the paragraph tag. I'm going to change the font size will be 2.5 rem. Then I'm going to select same thing, but this time I'm going to select H2. In the H2 I'm going to use 4.5 rem, and I'm going to use color is 2ECC71, and also I'm going to use letter spacing will be 5 pixel. Then I'm going to select same thing, this will be H3. So let's see, right? And the H3 I don't need that, and this will be 3.5. So let's see, right? But I want to display the overlay on there, right? So let me tell you how you can do that. So you need to select the slides like that and use colon before, and you need to use content null. Position will be absolute, width will be 100%, and height will be 100%. Then I'm going to use RGBA. Just a minute, I need to use background RGBA and 0.6, right? So I don't need that, right? And then first I'm going to save that. Let's see, right? I'm able to see everything is clear on there, right? But why? Okay, just a minute, I think something is wrong on the image, but don't worry, we will focus on this one section, then we're gonna manage that. Also I will use Z index 9 on there because I want to display the content in the front of the page. So I will select the Z index 11 because I will use slider on there, right? So I think everything is clear. So let's see, guys, slides, why I can't see. Okay, I will manage that then. So H3 H2, then we're gonna discuss all about the link tag. So select the img overlay anchor link. So text decoration we're gonna use none, and then I'm gonna use color will be white, and padding top and bottom 0.8 rem, left and right 2 rem, and then I'm gonna use margin top 2 rem. Display I'm gonna use inline block, margin top I'm gonna use will be 2 rem, and border radius I'm gonna use will be 4 pixel, right? So first we're gonna save that. Let's see. Okay, we need to use background hash like that. So let's see, right? And also we're gonna use the hover effect on there. So select that, use hover effect. In the hover effect I will use dark green color, and also we'll use transition all 0.54 3s and out. So let's see, right? Cool. So we're gonna fix this one issue, but before fixing this one issue we're gonna change the font color. So I'm gonna use color will be white, and font weight I'm gonna use 600. So right, cool, right? So once you design this one section, then you will able to use the, just a minute, you will able to use the slider plugin, you can say that. So we're gonna use the Swiper.js plugin, and inside there we're gonna get the plugin, and I'm gonna show you everything from scratch. So you need to get the Swiper, not there, so you need to get the links and add the link inside your style.css, and also you need to get the JS file and paste after the header tag, right? Then you will use some classes. So I'm gonna select the demo, and inside the demo I'm gonna select where is infinite loop, and select the core, and the core I will select some classes on there. So we're gonna use Swiper.js, copy, and we're gonna use paste on there, and then we're gonna select that and paste on there, and finally you need to select this one section and paste on there. So once you save that, then I think it should be displayed perfectly. Right now, as you can see, I can't see the scroll bar or down on the image. I'm able to see everything is perfect on there, right? Once you add that, then we're gonna display the menus, sidebar. So we're gonna select that, and we're gonna use the main Swiper, paste on there. So let's see, right? I'm able to see icons, and then I will use this one second time, third time. And the second time I need to change the image, second, and third time I need to change the third one, right? And also I will use, this will be backend developer, and this will be digital. So let's see. This time you can't see because we need to work on that. So I go to Swiper.js, so we need to get that, this one also we need to get this one section complete, and go to script.js, paste on there and save it, and let's check it now it's working or not. Right now, as you can see, right? But I want to display only one slide per view, slide per group, one, save, and let's see, right? Right, I am able to see dot signs, I am able to change that, right? But I will manage that using CSS. I will use the JavaScript, but before using JavaScript, I'm gonna fix few issues, like I want to display the icons will be appear like white, and then I will select the I will select the icon. I will use that, so I'm gonna show you. So I will assign the class .btn on there. This is btn and this is also btn, so we need to select that and go to style.css. So I need to select that. First of all, I will use RGB, a background color. I will use like 0.6 is best, and I will use padding all side to run. Color will be white. So, and also I'm going to use border radius 50%. So let's see. Just a minute, sir. And what happened on there? Save to padding. Just a minute. Okay, I will use that. Then it's work on there. So I'm going to select the btn colon after. Color will be white, so I think it should be displayed. No, it's not working. Okay, we need to save that, then it should be displayed perfect. Yes, as you can see, guys, right? So next thing, we're gonna use the space. I want to make a space, this one and this one button, so I need to select the Swiper. Just a minute, I'm going to show you. I need to select Swiper button next, and I will use margin right 50 pixel, and I will select this one and paste on there, but this time I need to use margin left will be 50% to make a space. I mean 50 pixel, have a space right now, right? So we're gonna work on the small screen size, right? And then I will use simple effect using JavaScript. So I will use the media and the small screen size max width. I will use max width will be 900 pixel, and the 900 pixel I will decrease this one size. I will use 20 pixel, and this will be 20 pixel, right? And then I also select some content, like those content. On each content have a different positions, so this will be 2, and this will be 3.5, and this will be 2.5, right? Then I will select the 768 pixel and the media max width 768 pixel. I will use same thing, but this time I will get all of the content and paste on there, but we need to get this one paste outside of there, right? So inside there I need to use 10 padding, not 1 point, and this will be 2.5, and this will be 1.5. So let's see output of that in the small screen sizes. So we're gonna select responsive, so select 900, right? And when you will hit also the right, and also we need to fix the button issue because the button is too large. So where it is here, so I need to get that, and 900. So I will use top and bottom will be 6 left and right, 1 there. So I will use that, right? Perfect, cool, right? Finally I will remove the icons in the small screen size, means I think 600 is best, and the 600 media max width 600 pixel. I will select the .btn, and we need to use visibility hidden. So let's see when you will hit, right? As you can see right now everything is clear, guys, inside there. So let's work on the JavaScript, little bit of JavaScript to change the slide automatically, and also we're gonna use the number on there. I want to remove the bullets, so let's go on the JavaScript. So we need to use the autoplay option, right? So where we need to use the autoplay, so I will use the autoplay after there, call auto play colon curly brackets. So how much delay the time, so I will use delay 3500, and then I will use disable on instructions false. So let's see it's changed or not automatically. Yes, it's changing automatically after 5 seconds or 7 seconds, you can say that. So next one I will use the repeat loop everything. I will use space between space of each slide have a 10. So here is a white space, it's called 10, but I will use another effect on there. So I will use the type on there will be type means I will change the fraction means I will change the number. Right now, as you can see, 1 to 3 slides, and then I will use the effect. So let's work on the effect. So the effect is creative, comma, then you need to use creative effect, colon, curly brackets, use comma, and inside there you need to use which effect you will use. I will select the previous pattern, means when it's moving on previous, so I'm going to call the shadow, colon, true, and I'm going to use translate. We need to use the array range. In the array range, I will use the 0, 0 and negative 400, comma, and comma. We need to use same thing. We need to select next. In the next, I will use translate. In the translate, I will use, first I'm going to use comma. Okay, we'll use. In the translate, I will use the 100%. We need to use 100%, comma, 0, 0. So after this one, I will use comma. So let's see it's working or not. Yes, I'm going to show you. I think yes, but I think we need to check that. Creative effect name is creative, comma, creative effect, colon, previous, shadow, trio, translate, 0, 0, 400, comma, perfect, comma. Next will be translate 100. Okay, 100%. So let's see. Yes, as you can see, guys, first I'm going to close this one and open it again, and wait. We need to wait more than 5 seconds. It's changed automatically right now. And right, cool. Also you can use this one, click on that, let's check it now in the responsive mode. Perfect. Right, as you can see, guys. So I hope you are understood as well how you can create a responsive image slider using HTML, CSS and also JavaScript. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.